We are surrounded by people all day, every day. And even though we think we're great at reading people, the reality is that there are so many things that we miss when it comes to this. There are 7 hidden signs that a woman has slept with a lot of men. Would you be able to spot them? No. What? She is very open to talking about intimate topics. You are at a party, and there is a woman who is laughing loudly and talking intimately with your friend. It can be hard not to get jealous in this situation. This is because women who have slept with a lot of men tend to be more open to talking about intimate topics. This is simply because they have more experience in these areas and are therefore more comfortable discussing them. Now, this doesn't mean that if a woman talks about intimate things with you, that she has slept with a lot of men, but it could be a sign. If you notice that she is also very flirtatious and has a history of sleeping around, then this may be true. No. 2. She is always touching other men. Let's say you are at a bar and you see a woman who is always touching other men. She may be doing this for a number of reasons, but one of them may be that she is trying to find someone to sleep with. Women who have slept with a lot of men tend to be more comfortable around them and are more likely to touch them. This is because they have more experience with them and are therefore less inhibited. So if you notice a woman who is always touching other men, especially in a sexual way, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of them. However, keep in mind that this is not always the case. Some women just like to be very physical with the people they are attracted to. No. 3. Her sexual aura is strong. Have you ever been around a woman who just seems to have this sexual aura about her? This type of aura is created by a woman's sexual energy, which is the energy she emits when she is aroused or thinking about sex. Women who have slept with a lot of men tend to have a stronger sexual aura because they are more experienced and confident in their sexuality. If you notice a woman who seems to have this strong sexual aura about her, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of men. However, keep in mind that some women just have naturally strong sexual auras, so it's not always a surefire sign. Number 4. She smells nice. Have you ever noticed how women who have slept with a lot of men seem to smell nice all the time? This is because they tend to be more experienced with their bodies and know how to take care of themselves. They know how to make themselves smell good in order to attract a mate. So if you notice a woman who always smells good, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of men. Keep in mind though that some women just like to smell good. So it's not always a surefire sign. No. 5. She dresses provocatively. Have you ever noticed how women who have slept with a lot of men tend to dress more provocatively? This is because they want to attract attention and they know how to do it. They know what makes men want them and they use it to their advantage. So if you notice a woman who is always dressed in a way that is meant to provoke you, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of men. However, keep in mind that some women just like to dress provocatively, so it's not always a surefire sign. No. 6. She often talks about her sex life. You having a conversation with a woman and she can't help but talk about her sex life. This may be a sign that she is trying to seduce you. Women who have slept with a lot of men tend to be more open when it comes to talking about sex and are more likely to bring up the topic in conversation. This is because they are more experienced and confident in their sexuality. So if you notice a woman who often talks about her sex life, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of men. However, keep in mind that some women just like to talk about sex, so it's not always a surefire sign. Number 7. Her lips are darker than usual. You meet a woman at a bar and you notice that her lips are darker than usual. This may be because she has recently had an intimate experience. When a woman has sex, her lips can become darker due to increased blood flow. So if you notice a woman whose lips are darker than usual, it may be a sign that she has slept with a lot of men. However, keep in mind that there are other reasons why a woman's lips may be darker, such as using lipstick or having certain medical conditions. So it's not always a surefire sign. Now that you know these 7 signs, would you be able to spot them? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to watch our other videos as well. Thanks for watching. Hey, are you still watching? We made it this far. So let me ask you, what is your biggest fear when it comes to women? Do you struggle with approaching them, talking to them, or keeping them interested? Whatever your fear may be, the good news is that you've come to the right place. We understand that you're going through a tough time right now and we want to help. That's why we've put together a special video that will teach you everything you need to know about approaching and talking to women. In this video, you'll learn the secrets that the experts don't want you to know. Secrets like how to approach a woman and start a conversation that will lead to more. How to keep a woman interested in you long after your initial interaction. How to avoid common mistakes that men make when talking to women. Trust us when we say that this information could change your life forever. Don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to access the video now. We guarantee that you won't regret it. So what are you waiting for? Take action today and start seeing results tomorrow. Remember, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. See you soon.